smartphone experience changes as the apps on your phone do, and we've rounded up 5 absolute must-haves. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. First up, Pocket Casts is a podcast lover's dream. Forget Apple Podcasts or Spotify because this app makes discovering, bookmarking, and listening to your favorite shows effortless. With features like silence trimming, variable playback speed, sleep timers, and smart device integration like AirPlay, Chromecast, CarPlay, and Sonos, it's perfect for binge listening on the go. Next, Proton Mail takes your inbox to the next level of privacy. End-to-end encryption means only you and your recipient see messages with trackers blocked and 0 ads cluttering your screen. And features like gesture controls, labels, folders, dark mode, and phishing alerts make it even secure, though free users are limited to 1 GB storage only. 1Password is the choice for passwords. Its dual-layer encryption keeps hackers out even if someone cracks your main account. With autofill, secure note storage, cross-platform compatibility, and password generation, it's a top choice for security. AccuWeather may sound ordinary, but it is not. It'll give you minute-by-minute updates, tell you exactly when rain might hit or clear, plus there's extended forecasts, UV index, wind speeds, and more for daily planning. Finally, film buffs will love Letterboxd, a sleek AMDb alternative. Track, rate, and log movies, explore lists and stats, and read thoughtful user reviews. Even the free version offers nearly everything a movie lover needs, all in an aesthetic interface. These 5 apps aren't just tools, they're essentials that transform how you listen, communicate, plan, and enjoy life on your phone. How many of these you have already? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.